Laid off because of AI? Afraid your company might replace you with software before the end of the year? Let's be honest for a moment. We all see what's happening. Major companies are cutting thousands of jobs while investing billions in artificial intelligence. Meta, Amazon, Dell, Salesforce, Nike, and many more. And if you're feeling anxious right now, you are not alone. But hear me out. Losing a job does not mean you've lost your future. In fact, this might be the moment that pushes you towards something even better. And no, I'm not about to tell you to spend 4 years sitting in a lecture hall eating ramen noodles with 19-year-olds. Today, I want to show you how going back to college strategically, especially through career technical education, certificates, apprenticeships, and flexible online programs, could help you future-proof your career faster than you think. Hello and welcome to Navigating College. I'm Dr. V, and today we're talking directly to working adults, career changers, and anyone worried about how AI is transforming the workforce. Because here's the reality. Technology disruptions have always changed the economy. The Industrial Revolution changed jobs, computers changed jobs, the internet changed jobs, and now artificial intelligence is changing jobs. But history also teaches us something important. The people who adapt are the people who thrive. This moment is not about panic, it's about upskilling. And one of the best places to do that may actually be your local community college. Now, before you click away, Dr. V, I am too old. I don't have time. I can't afford it. I already have other responsibilities. Trust me, modern colleges are increasingly building programs specifically for people like you. When most people hear go back to college, they imagine 4 years, massive debt, dorm rooms, and trying to figure out TikTok slang from other classmates born after the iPhone came out. But that's not what I'm talking about. Community colleges today are rapidly evolving into workforce training hubs. Many programs are affordable, they're flexible, they're online or hybrid, and even short-term, and directly connected to workforce needs in your region. That means instead of spending years pursuing a traditional degree, you may be able to earn industry certificates, career technical education credentials, or even stackable certifications that help you re-enter the workforce much faster. Some certificates can be completed in less than a year. That's huge for working adults who need income, stability, and practical skills quickly. So you may be asking, what are stackable certificates? One of the smartest developments in higher education right now is something called stackable credentials. Think of it like building career Legos. You start with one short-term certificate, that certificate can stack into another, then eventually into an associate's degree, and in some cases, even a bachelor's degree. That gives adult learners flexibility. You can learn, work, pause, and even return later, and continue building your qualifications over time. That's important because adult students are balancing real life, mortgages, kids, aging parents, jobs, and trying to remember passwords to 67 different websites. Traditional college models were not built for that reality, but many workforce education programs now are. Now here's something many adults don't realize. You may already have valuable skills that colleges can recognize for credit. This is called credit for prior learning, or CPL for short. And the California community colleges are actively scaling these opportunities up. So what does that mean for you? It means your work experience, your military service, even industry certifications, professional trainings, or prior learning may help you earn college credit faster. For example, a military veteran with technical training may receive credit toward IT or even management programs. Someone with years of business experience may already possess competencies aligned with coursework. Healthcare workers may qualify for prior learning assessments. The goal is simple. Don't make adults start from zero if they already have real-world knowledge. And honestly, that makes sense. Life experience is experience. Another thing many career education programs now emphasize is hands-on workforce training. This includes apprenticeships, internships, clinical placements, and even employer partnerships. Why is this important? Because employers increasingly want workers who can demonstrate practical skills immediately. Many career technical education programs are built around local workforce shortages. That means colleges are often designing programs around jobs employers are actively trying to fill right now. Fields like cybersecurity, data analysis, healthcare, network technology, advanced manufacturing, project management, human resources, and business operations continue to grow. So in other words, the goal is not simply education for education's sake, the goal is employability. Now, if you live in California, there's one institution I especially want working adults to know about, and that's Calbright College. If you haven't heard of Calbright, it's a unique online community college designed specifically for adult learners. And honestly, their model reflects where higher education may be heading in the future. Calbright offers free, online, competency-based certificate programs for California residents over 18 years old with a high school diploma or GED. That means flexibility for working adults. No traditional semester schedules, no sitting in traffic trying to find parking on campus, no fighting over that last outlet in the library. Programs are self-paced and focused on workforce skills. Some pathways include information technology support, defensive cybersecurity, network technology, CRM platform administration, data analysis, project management, HR talent acquisition, learning and development, and community health worker programs. Many are designed to prepare students for industry-recognized certifications employers actually value. And because programs are competency-based, students can sometimes complete them faster depending on prior experience and pacing. That flexibility matters tremendously for adults balancing work and family responsibilities. Now listen, if you've recently lost your job, I know this can feel deeply personal. Layoffs affect more than income. They affect your identity, your confidence, your routine, and your security. But your layoff is not proof that you failed. The economy is changing rapidly. Entire industries are transforming, and millions of workers are navigating this uncertainty together. You are not behind, you are adapting. And sometimes the most successful people are not the ones who avoided disruption, they're the ones who learned how to pivot when disruption arrived. This may feel like the end of one chapter, but it may also become the beginning of something far better. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Navigating College with me, Dr. V, for more practical college advice, career education guidance, student success strategies, and workforce upskilling information. And if you found this topic helpful, check out my other video on affordable California community college bachelor's degrees, as well as other videos where I provide important college survival tips. Remember, your career is not over, your story is not finished, and your ability to learn may become your greatest advantage in the age of AI. Thank you for your viewership, and I'll see you in the next video.